Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this episode we're chucking a custom air intake on this Barra.
I decided I'ma spit it to him, laid back, flow like a nigga you can picture in the me.
Alright, so as usual, we're doing this on a budget, and I've gone to eBay, the usual way, and I've picked up this $30 generic air intake kit. Comes with a pod filter, bit of 3-inch piping, something to secure it, to mount it, some clamps, and I spent $20 on a heat shield. So yeah, we're going to get rid of this airbox, and then we'll start hopefully making that try to fit. Now this will work for any BA, BF, Falcon or Territory turbo or NA, because you know they still got the crossover pipe coming over the top here. But if you're doing this with an NA, the best bit you want to get is this bit here. This is actually a Territory air intake. Now the only difference is it doesn't crumble up underneath there, and it's actually just a full shape around there. So that's an upgrade for a Falcon. This is a Territory, so it already has one. And then yeah, we're going to take out that airbox. We'll probably leave that duct in there, and then hopefully we can use some of the mounting holes to mount this one up. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so we've removed the air intake, as you can see, and now the plan is we'll grab our old intake here, the new one, and we're going to work out which way it's going to be the best to go, and then hopefully we can use one of those screw hole mounts, holes, to use for the mount to make this legal. And then it's also got that there feeding the cold air straight towards it, and then we can put the cover on.
A lot of boring math later.
Okay, so we've had a little bit of progress after 5 minutes ginning around and having a little bit of a test fit. Looks like something like that's going to work good. The mount comes across to one of the holes for one of the box mounts, and yeah, pod filter's right near that. We'll probably put the heat shield around the back there to stop that engine heat. But yeah, we're having some luck. And there it is, the final fitting. We've got the heat shield on the back there. We've got this feeding the air into the general area, trying to keep it a bit cooler. The mount need a little bit of bending to make work, but that's all good. Now basically I did this because I'm going to take this to the drag strip in a few weeks, and we wanted some noise out of it. And yeah, well, probably going to be a bit easier to have something like this if we put nitrous on it too. But I'm pretty happy with that, $50 in total. And yes, there is a bit of a debate about whether this will actually give any power in it or not. I don't think so much. Maybe a bit of throttle response, but you need it for the sound, and if you're moving forward with other mods, this will just add on to it when you go for a tune and stuff like that. So let's go take it for a drive, and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, big girl, let's see what you got. A little bit of pod filter sound there. We'll try revving first out a bit. Yeah, definitely some pod filter noise. Well, there you go. There was a little bit extra pod filter noise there. But if you guys are doing this on a turbo, this will make you get extra dose. But yeah, stay stay tuned for the channel because we're taking this to the drag strip. If you want to have a guess about how fast this is, pretty much in stock form like this, go back to the video where the competition's in there, like, subscribe and comment down below. And yeah, this should be fun. But yeah, all mounted up, legal, at least here in WA. I might give that little mount of paint it black to neaten it up. But yeah, another fun little one, guys. Until the next one, see you later.